Good morning vlog and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally doing a vlog. I'm going to be doing a few days in my life because Katie is actually visiting. If you guys are not familiar with my channel, Katie's my best friend. She's in like literally all my vlogs. She lives in Florida now and I live in Virginia. So she's coming up to visit us. She's going to be staying with me, but she's in Richmond right now, which is like 2 hours from my house. So I'm driving out there to go retrieve her. My friend Caitlin lives in Richmond. So we're going to spend today in Richmond. I need to get ready because I'm kind of running late. So I'm going to get dressed. Here's my planned outfit. Definitely just something cozy. My top is from Cuts. I just got this one. I don't know the name. I'll put it down below. And then I'm gonna wear just my black yoga pants from Aerie. Just very basic outfit. So this and this, and then I have a coat that I got for Christmas that I'm gonna wear as well. So let me get dressed and show you guys the final fit. Also, before I leave, I want to show you guys I got a new Dossier package. I've worked with them 2 times now. Absolutely love this company. I love trying out new perfumes, and that's basically what they are if you guys aren't familiar. They basically make luxury designer quality scents. I'm telling you guys, this stuff, it will literally last me all day long. A lot of the scents are super fragrant, really nice, very good quality. I have only one nice perfume. I just don't splurge on that. These are like those nice designer quality scents would be, except they're just at a fraction of the price, which is perfect for my girlies who want to try some new things, just don't have the budget to spend $100 on a perfume. Totally understandable. I've been whipping through mine, guys. This one right here has been my go-to from the last video, Floral Marshmallow, and as you guys can see, I'm like halfway done with it already. I kind of like that the size is smaller so you can continue to try new ones. But I do have a code, Megan Bagato 5, which will save you guys a little bit of money. So let's get into the scents that I have. So this one is Ambery Saffron. I'm hoping that I like it. I think it said it was more of like a neutral scent. Oh my god, I think that's gonna be really good. Ooh, yeah, that is nice. It's definitely very neutral. Like, I feel like it's not very fruity. It's not very feminine or masculine. It's just kind of in the middle. But I really like that. And then this one is Gourmand White Flowers. I had no idea what to expect with this. I need a second for it to... Ooh, I really like this. Not what I expected it to smell like at all, but really good. And like I said, these scents are super strong, so I just love that they're gonna last me all day because I'm gonna be out and about hitting the road. And speaking of, I need to hit the road, but I wanted to just show you guys those super quickly. I'm gonna put on this Gourmand White Flower one for the day. Let me show you guys my outfit. So we just have my plain tee from Cuts. Literally love Cuts, the most amazing basics, because literally all I do is dress extremely basics. I also have a code for them. If you guys want to shop it, I'll pop it down below. And then I have my yoga pants from Aerie. And then I decided on just these little Uggs because I feel like they matched well. And it's very casual. Let me put on my jacket though to finish off the look. Here is my jacket. My brother's girlfriend got me this for Christmas. I'm actually obsessed with it. It's just really cute and very much my style and goes with stuff like this really well. That's super cropped. And I love that the sleeves have this little ruching. She got it from Korea, so I cannot drop the link. Well, I can ask her, maybe I can. And then the back has a cute little hood that you can put up and also has some scrunching. Sits at that perfect length. I'm ready to rumble and I should probably leave soon because they're waiting on me. Hey, look who's here. Oh, what are you doing here?
I was like,
they want you to have your own channel, is what they said.
that's so silly.
Don't get shy now. Queen Caitlin. We got sushi and we're ready to go. And Caitlin's gonna show you guys a little trick that we have. What's new since we last saw you? Graduation girl.
Graduated, unemployed, struggling. You know how it goes.
Still in school. Kind of part-time.
But graduated at the same time.
Graduated at the same time.
Graduated together.
Walked, but didn't really graduate.
We didn't get to walk together, but we did get to yell for one another.
Yes, we did. 2 puppies.
Oh, new puppy alert.
Puppy alert.
Maggie needs to get in the camera.
Oh, I think she's coming in. I'm getting embarrassed.
Okay.
Hi, say hello. Hi, Miss Maggie. Hello. You are so stunning. You are stunning. That is stunning. You, Mr. Sir, why are you running away from me? Why are you running away?
Oh, you're so
Come back.
I'm gonna show you guys the soaps that Caitlin bought today at the store. First we have Mahogany Coconut. She got 2 of these. I love the symmetry. The apple of my eye, green caramel apple. That sounds fun. Frosted cranberry again. Rosewater and ivy. Did you pick this one?
I did. I said, Caitlin, you have to get this.
White t-shirt. I liked in the candle. Cozy vanilla almond. What are you putting on
I
first?
love the white t-shirt
I
candle.
don't know which one. I just like the way these look.
Yeah, it's so sleek.
These are just so cute.
Sleek. You're just a very sleek aesthetic.
Thank you.
We're gonna miss you.
I'm gonna, leave that in.
I will. One thing about me is I'm gonna leave this. goodbye. Until next vlog.
Bye, vlog.
Hopefully soon.
Like,
All right, are you ready? Gourmand White Flowers is the name.
oh,
Are
I
you
like
ready?
flowers a lot.
I won't give you a spritz in case you don't like it.
Oh, I love that.
Really?
That kind of smells actually
Similar.
like luxury.
You like it though? You can spray yourself
Yeah.
if you would like.
I might just do something like
We
that.
can't really like stink on the streets of Old Town. We just can't. This is our outfits. I'm wearing my coat that I got on 70% off at Express. $30.
Yeah.
That I haven't worn yet. I'm gonna wear this, and then I'm wearing a Uniqlo top. And then I'm actually wearing Honor Active leggings because their new ones don't have the logo up here. So it's not as obvious, you know, that it's like workout leggings. And then some boots. Katie, your turn.
I'm sure you've seen this jacket before. I actually wear this every day.
It's your favorite jacket.
I love this jacket. It's from
There's nothing
PacSun.
wrong with that, though.
It's just my favorite jacket ever.
Slay.
I have also my Brandy Melville Do.
Love that. And
Because
look,
it's, what's it called, like John Galt or whatever?
It's not a dupe,
Ellie,
it's literally-
that's what I told Ellie. We
They're
had a big
sister
argument.
brands,
Airy, cross, whatever, like.
and look how this matches
Yeah.
her John Gal.
We're all.
I
And my
just-
clip is also brown.
Yes. I just want to nip this in the bud. Nip it in the bud for everyone. John Gal.
Yeah.
And Brandy Melville.
Are the same.
Sister brands, the same way. Think of Hollister
I'm gonna tag it on
and
this.
Abercrombie and Fitch. Sister brands.
But they're different.
They're different, but they're sister brands. So I think it's
So
the
if
same.
I were to say this is Brandy,
That's okay. The same way if
Yeah.
you said it was Hollister, people know Abercrombie.
I actually didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
No,
I
I
knew
thought they were
that.
different.
Abercrombie's like the bougie Hollister. Okay guys, we're gonna go to Old Town because we haven't eaten a damn thing. It's like noon. And then walk around Old Town.
Watching my back, even when I'm in the booth, I'll trust who. Doing my thing, but I'm down to come clean, I like you. I wanna make you feel the way though, so let's do. I'll take it.
Hey! Did an Old Town Sleigh.
Okay,
It was really fun. I haven't been here since I was like really young, so I don't remember, but I've heard so much about it.
Yeah.
Like, we've been trying to come here for like 2 years, I think. Now we're gonna go to the house where my parents used to live here. But first, we have something really exciting.
A friend of mine got me this for Christmas. Really kind gift. Sage green
Really
sleigh.
generous.
You can hear their stuff inside
Yeah.
because it keeps it so nice and
Has to
cold.
go.
And you know what? I
Has
don't
to
care
go.
that people are saying, you know, you guys went on the Stanley train, Stanley this. Have you
Oh,
seen that?
whatever. It's so sleigh.
So two different purposes.
Yeah, my hydro flask is
For the beach.
For the beach, and my Stanley would be for the bedside table.
Look how big this is. My
It's
hydro
so
could
nice.
never.
This is so perfect that you got a venti too. This is.
Yeah, I didn't
Did
actually
they give
get a
me?
venti.
Yeah, they
sheet.
just. Yeah, that was so.
So what I'm
nice.
gonna do is I'm gonna dump out the water. I saw this on TikTok. Did you see this on TikTok?
Yeah, I did.
They just took their
did.
big boy.
I don't know what the purpose is, but
I'm nervous it's gonna. I have this Excedrin here in my bag. I put
and
the
that just looks
Excedrin in
really
to just
cute.
keep
Look
it
how
up.
it actually fits perfect. So it's like
So cute.
so
I
slay.
love
and now
that.
we have both cup holders for each.
Yeah.
Da da.
So we decided that we weren't gonna spend enough time here, so we're gonna go to Katie's favorite place,
My favorite place in the whole world.
Gravelly
Bradley
Point.
Point.
And guess what? I got you a cake pop.
Self-explanatory for why you did.
Yeah.
Why? I'm in
I
debt
felt
to
like
you.
I felt like it'd be fun though if we like had our
in
cake
debt.
pops out there.
That's really fire.
It'd be like really cute. We made it to Gravelly Point.
This is literally the best time.
This is Katie's like ideal day.
This is actually like my
Actually,
favorite
it's really
activity.
easy to host someone like you because there's really not a lot that doesn't please you. But here's the setup. It's
have
actually, oh, this is so
picnic,
cute.
like, I
You
know,
should
like,
take a picture
this is so
here.
pretty.
And then we have
Pencil.
pencil, and then it's like a nice stunning view. And then the planes come. We'll show you guys the planes. Really fast.
I don't think it's mine.
It's right there.
Guys,
I think we should just look at it. I don't think we
I go look at
I think it's a little scary when we go. Unfortunately, I'm not understanding the flight path, as Katie is really rudely pointed out. She takes some pictures like this way, and I'm like, the plane's up there.
I want you, I know you're not a not you.
Okay, we didn't really do any Starbucks. We dropped my mom off to go on a trip, and now it's just us, and we're gonna have a nice cozy movie night because Katie flies out tomorrow morning super early. I think we have to wake up at like 5:30. So yeah, but we went to Target and I got this pillow. So cute. So on one side it's like sage, and on the other side it's like a darker green, but I thought it would look really cute on my bed year round, but it also works for like Valentine's Day. And then I got a few things that I'm gonna put in a little gift for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. So one is these brownies. We love to make these. And then he likes Dove milk chocolate hearts, so I got him those as well. We just wanted a reason to go to Target, so we did that. And then we got another one of these so we could eat them tonight as we watch a movie. We are gonna be making funfetti brownies. I don't think I've ever seen this before. It's giving cosmic brownie dupe. Katie's upstairs not helping or contributing as always. Just wanted to see if your listening ears were on. Guys, look, we have a Virginia Tech alumna in the building. Alumna. Hokies.
Alumna. Sorry. Control when I make that awful noise.
This rice, the rice went flying.
Oh, I thought it was my swoosh.
It's in my shoes. Ew, rice kernels in the toe. What the heck? We need Mia here.
Do you have a dustpan?
Dust buster? How'd that happen? She stepped in the rice in her new diskette. Just show them your diskettes.
These are my diskettes. Diskette sleigh. They're really fluffy. Platform. Got some rice in them.
What we're gonna be doing is mixing and mixing and mixing the brownies up. Cosmic brownie. Oop. We are loving the hating. Yeah, here, you can have this. It looks more pretty.
Scared
Oh my god, it came out a little bit.
It's not raw.
No, the exterior pieces are overcooked almost, and then the interior pieces are raw. Just be honest.
Ooh, it's hot.
I mean,
good,
I think
though.
it tastes fine.
It
It's
does.
more cake-like than fudgy,
Yeah, which
which is not our vibe.
no.
Anyways, back to hating the game. Can't hate the player.
Hate the game.
Hate the hating game.
I want you, I know you're not a not you. Oh, save it, don't waste your time, 'cause I'm